Hi, I am Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I show you how to export a diagram as XML in Draw.io. You will learn the exact export workflow, and you will learn what the most important XML export settings mean. If you like practical tutorials about modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. What is Draw.io? Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a flexible diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, network diagrams, UML models, and many other visuals. It is easy to start with. However, it still offers useful export options for professional work. One of these options is XML. Why export as XML? XML is useful when I want to preserve the structure of my diagram in a portable file format. For example, I can store it, share it, or reuse it in other tools and workflows. So let me show you the exact steps. Step 1. I open my diagram in Draw.io. In this demonstration, I have already opened a Draw.io diagram. This can be the browser version or the desktop app. I use the desktop app here, but the steps look very similar in both versions. Step 2. In the graphical user interface, I click File, move to Export As, then I click XML. Now I see the XML export dialog. Here I can configure the file before I export it. Thus, step 3 checks the settings I need. Selection only exports only the selected part of the diagram. Compressed reduces the file size. All pages includes all pages of the diagram in one XML file. Step 4. I choose my settings and click Export. Now the Save dialog opens. Here I am already in the target folder. I enter a clear file name and I confirm that the file type is XML documents. Then I click Save. To check, I go to the target folder and open my document. Here you can see the XML version of the document. Afterwards, you can import it to Draw.io again or to other viewer. When should I export as XML? I use XML when I want a structured file instead of a visual file like PNG or PDF. This is helpful when the diagram data itself matters, not only the final image. For example, this can be useful for storage, reuse, or technical handover. So this is how you export a diagram as XML in Draw.io. You open your diagram, click File, click Export As, choose XML, configure selection only, compressed or all pages if needed, click Export and choose the file name and save the XML document. If this video helped, support the channel and like it. And subscribe for more Draw.io tutorials. Also tell me in the comments, do you use XML mainly for backup, sharing, or technical reuse? Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.